Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube series on XPath. In this video, we will build our first XPath. So let's get started. On the screen, I have shown a standard syntax for simple XPath. If any keyword does not make sense to you, I would recommend you to watch previous video where I have explained meaning of each keyword with multiple examples. You can just click on the link to watch it. Okay, let's start building our first XPath. For this demo, I have taken Facebook login page. In this page, I will show you how to build XPath to identify username and the password fields and also to identify login button. Now I want to see the HTML code behind the page. So I will just right click, I'll get a context menu, I'll click on the inspect option. Now I want to know the HTML element representing the username field. So I'll click on this button, I'll click on the username field, I'll get the element. Now, if I have to build XPath for this element, I have to identify three keywords. Tag, input is a tag here, attribute, I'll take ID as the attribute, m underscore login underscore email is the attribute value. So let's build. I will write two forward slashes. I need tag, I'll take input, attribute as ID, and m underscore login underscore email is the attribute value. As you can see, the XPath we built is identifying the element on the screen. Let's take another example. Let's build XPath for password field. Again, we need tag. Let's take input as a tag. For this example, we'll take type as the attribute and password as attribute value. So here I'll show you a trick. If I just double click on the attribute, the HTML will enter into editable mode. So I'll just copy both attribute and attribute value. So two forward slashes, tag, I'll take input, I'll just paste the value, both attribute and attribute value, close the bracket. So as you can see, again, the XPath is identifying the password field uniquely. Let's take one last example. Let's try to build XPath for login button. So button is the tag here. I'll take name as the attribute and login as the attribute value. So I'll write two forward slashes, then tag, which is button. Then I'll open a square bracket, I'll paste the value, then close it. As you can see, the button or the login button is identified uniquely. Now I think you know how to build your first XPath. As an assignment, try to build XPath to identify, create new account element and drop it in the comment section. And also, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section and I will respond to it. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.